Dave Foster with this news break on Vincennes PBS. Authorities continued their investigation today into a triple homicide that unfolded Thursday night in a Gibson County home. Deputies were called just before 8:30 p.m. to reports of shots fired on South Scottsdale Drive near Haubstadt. When officers arrived, they found 3 people dead inside the home and a 4th victim critically injured. 77-year-old Patrick John Wade of Haubstadt was arrested at the scene without incident. He's being held without bond in the Gibson County Jail on a murder charge. 4 other individuals inside the home were not injured. The critically wounded victim was flown by medical helicopter to an area hospital for treatment. Gibson County law enforcement assisted by several other agencies. A steady stream of visitors toured the Wabash Valley Friendship Clubhouse during Thursday's open house in Vincennes. Members led guests through the facility, offering a glimpse into daily operations and the community they've built together. The event celebrated the clubhouse's recent 3-year accreditation from Clubhouse International and its upcoming 5th anniversary. Since opening in 2020 with just 11 participants at a small home, it now serves nearly 30 people a day in a 4,800 square foot space. Clubhouse coordinator Dave Engstrom says the goal is to provide a supportive, work-oriented environment for adults living with chronic mental illness. Members help run everything from the kitchen to the thrift store while encouraging each other to stay connected.
It's a wonderful place. I wish more people could experience us, and what we stand for. Come in and meet us. Realize that we are the same as everybody else. We just need to stop the stigma.
There's more information on the Wabash Valley Friendship Clubhouse at our website. With this news break on Vincennes PBS, I'm Dave Foster. More news online at vincenneспbs.org, and be sure and subscribe to the Vincennes PBS YouTube channel.